Today we take you on an adventure through a part of Rabat we did not expect to see. A place where you can eat snails and chickpeas on the beach.
Get to have some fresh chickpea here with the sunset just behind us.
Whilst taking a stroll and seeing some of the most beautiful waves crashing against the shore.
But it protects this area from the waves so people can actually swim in there, which is amazing.
And even end up in a forest where it makes you feel like you're back in Europe.
The country that I'm from is exactly like this. 50% of our land is forest.
Whilst meeting some of the friendly locals on the beach having a great time.
Hopefully, hello my friends, how are you?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
This is Harhoura Rabat.
So here we are, my friends. We are now exploring a different area in the beautiful Rabat, Morocco, and this area is called Harhoura. And we're starting it here in this beautiful promenade area with the sun currently setting and the waves crashing against the shoreline just over.
Hi guys, hello from me and Aya.
We are here.
Yeah, today is meant to be one of the hottest days, nearly 30 degrees, so we thought it's only right we come to the beach and just show that Rabat city is not just a city, it offers also that, you know, holiday type of vibe if you come here to Harhoura.
Yeah, looking forward to exploring this place, guys. It really is beautiful. Let's go. So as we're walking across this place, guys, it's so beautiful. We've got these huge houses just to our left, and opposite they've got this area where people can basically swim. And Daisy, you were saying that this area is protected or something?
Yeah, this is called Harhoura Beach. Normally it's quite difficult to swim around Rabat, but this particular area is protected by that. I don't know if that's meant to be like the caves, Harhoura caves or whatever, but it protects this area from the waves so people can actually swim in there, which is amazing. And I can see a lot of people getting stuck in and
just
swimming
behind,
right now.
Yeah, they've got quite a few people swimming. And it's 30 degrees, guys, and it's basically almost 6 p.m. It seems like the weather is starting to really heat up now. And we're now just walking down to the beach area. Seems like it's half rocky beach and half sandy, but it's just so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Wow, I think Aya is definitely enjoying it, guys. Yes.
She had her mouth open looking at the waves.
Yeah, she's shocked at all these incredible waves here. Look at this, guys, so beautiful. And this bit that you've got here, you basically can literally just walk and you're right into the ocean. The way it connects is amazing. Look at this. And honestly, I'm just having a look at some of these houses behind me, guys, and I would love to know if any of my subscribers that are watching actually live in any of these houses, because I would love to know how you feel when you wake up in the morning and you have this incredible view just behind you and you've got this ocean. It must be gorgeous. And also maybe if you know typically how much does it cost to live in one of these places right here. And guys, as we are here, we basically can see some kind of the older generation, if you like, playing what seems to be balls, throwing the ball and trying to get it as close to each other just behind me. It's kind of really nice to see that there's such a community like that here, you know. So we have just come over to another beach here. I'm not sure what this one is called. We were literally just driving down Harhoura because we were looking for some place that has some restaurants and just something where we can maybe grab a bite, because it's very strange here in Harhoura. We look online to find some places to visit, but it seems like we can't find anything, right?
Yeah, it looks like a lot of places have been permanently closed. That used to be... Don't be scared, sweetie.
Yeah, she's scared of the little dogs.
She got scared from a dog. Yeah, so the places that used to be popular are permanently closed. And then when I was looking for the local souk, that apparently is cool to check out, we just can't find it. It's so bizarre.
Yeah. Well, anyway, where we are now looks really nice. It's a Saturday today, and literally there's so many people here just playing football, enjoying the sunset. And there seems to be a restaurant which is just there on the corner. And hopefully, hello my friends, how are you?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Alaikum.
YouTube, yes.
YouTube.
Yes.
Comment
Channel name? Yad Ventures.
Yad Adventures.
Yes. You have your phone?
No.
Yad Ventures.
My phone.
Yeah,
My
come
phone.
over there, I'll be there, yeah? You can
Okay.
come. Alright, what's your name?
Elias.
Nice to meet you. And you?
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Isha.
Isha, how old are you? Okay, okay. All right, nice to meet you. Bye.
Nice to meet you
Bye,
too.
bye.
Nice to meet you, boys.
Meeting some of the local lads playing a bit of football. Hello, my friend. Everyone is very friendly here.
This is what I really like to see, you know, kids running around, playing football, barefoot. It reminds me of how I grew up in my childhood, and to be honest, I would absolutely love for Aya to grow up the same way. You know, the good old traditional way. It's just so nice to see.
Yeah, and definitely Morocco has kept that tradition of just seeing a lot of kids out and about. It's not like the West where you've got everybody kind of on iPads and iPhones,
computers.
Now we've made it just in time for sunset, guys. Right in front of us over there, and it is so, so beautiful. Wow, this is just such a vibe, guys. I don't know why no one has ever recommended us in the comments actually to ever come down and explore Harhoura area, because it is very, very lively and we're definitely enjoying it very much. And what have we got here? Oh, I think we've got some snails. You want some snails? Maybe I can try some. Wow, what have we got here? Salam, brother, how are you? Let's go. Chickpeas. Maybe we can get some chickpeas. One. What's this one? This one. Yeah, I got And what a way to top it off as well, guys. You get to have some fresh chickpea here with the sunset just behind us, and I think I'm going to give it to Dace to try it. As always, ladies first. Just sprinkle some salt on top of it. Looks super nice. Yep. There's only five dirhams. Shukran. How is it?
I haven't tried yet, but I do love chickpeas.
Good?
Yeah, I think that salt
Topped
really
it off.
did the job, yeah.
Let's give this a try. Fresh, very nice.
The chickpeas, guys, are very good for you. They are full of protein. The only disappointing thing about the place is all this trash. Such a shame because it's so beautiful, but people just keep throwing so much trash everywhere. Look at that.
And maybe, guys, you could enlighten us here. We haven't managed to see like a souk or anything like that here with loads of markets, but what we have seen is all these small stalls, and they all basically sell kind of the same thing, which is chickpeas and snails. So I don't know, maybe you can let me know, is that a thing here in Harhoura, that you should have chickpeas and snails together?
It must be like a Harhourian speciality.
Yeah, Harhoura delicacy.
I don't know, you have to let us know, guys.
Guys, today is a very special day because I'm going to finally find out exactly where my heritage comes from, thanks to today's sponsor, My Heritage. As some of you know, I'm originally Kurdish, and the Kurdish ethnicity is spread across so many different countries across the world. Today, I'm going to be taking a DNA test with My Heritage, who are a leading global family history and DNA service that makes exploring your family history easy and simple. It's super easy to use. Just take a simple cheek swab. It takes literally 2 minutes. It basically helps you discover your origins and find new relatives, and it covers more regions than any other test. The DNA results will reveal a percentage breakdown essentially of your origins across 42 supported ethnicities and 2,114 geographic regions. And as you can see, it's super easy to do the swab in the mouth. You just rub it on each cheek and you just put it inside the little container that comes with it. You just break it off. It's so easy to use, and put it back into the package that it comes with, that's addressed to the location where you need to send it to, and then it comes back within a few weeks with your results, and it looks like this. So fast forward 4 weeks, because that's how long it typically takes for the results to come in, and let's find out exactly where I'm from. Just before we do, don't forget to comment any guesses of where you think. View DNA results. Let's open it up. Yad, ready to explore your ethnicity. Let's go. I'm actually a bit nervous, guys. I don't know why, but here we are. We've got some music. Yad, you are 88% West Asian. Interesting. 6.2% Middle Eastern. I would have thought it would be the other way around. Okay, and oh my god, this is interesting. 3.3% Irish, Scottish and Welsh. Oh, hold on, we've got some more. And 2.2% South Asian, which is the India region, India side of the world. Wow, look at that. So it shows most of my heritage is actually from Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Iran, and then it moves on to the Middle East. So most of my ethnicity is West Asian. That is so interesting. And only 6.2% is Middle Eastern. Because I'm originally Kurdish, as I said, guys, so I would have thought I would be 80% Middle Eastern. And the Irish, Scottish, and Welsh, okay, that has definitely taken me back. 3.3%. That's very interesting. I am definitely taken back the most by the European side, which is Irish, Scottish, and Welsh. I always thought I was a little bit Irish. I'm only joking, first time. But after you get your ethnicity estimates, you can basically go onto DNA matches, which then actually shows you potentially where you may have some cousins around the world. Let's have a look. The DNA matches are basically your relatives around the world. Wow, look at this. So I have got, obviously I'm going to blur out the names for privacy reasons, but I've got a second cousin in Germany. Wow. I've got a third cousin in Sweden. I'm not surprised by that because there are a lot of Kurdish people in Sweden. Wow, so you can literally connect to all these distant cousins that you never thought, you never knew you actually had. So there you have it, guys. If you want to get your own DNA test results done, just click on the link in the description box below and use my unique code, which is just YAD, that's Y-A-D, to get your own test for yourself.
And guys, we've got Aya a new toy, this wind thing. Look, she's absolutely loving it. She's just mesmerized. And guys, as the sun has officially set now, we're going to head back and get some rest because of course Aya needs to sleep, and then we'll see you here on day 2 where we're going to explore some more beautiful things to do here in Harhoura. Let's go. We'll see you in about 10 seconds YouTube time, 24 hours for us. And welcome to day 2 here, guys, in Harhoura, and we are over in a Greek restaurant, and here is Aya enjoying.
Hi guys.
And we've actually been on the hunt to find a lot of things here in Harhoura, but everything is closed, like all the beach clubs and everywhere we're trying to find. It's just impossible to find anything here.
Yeah, it's a really bizarre situation because all the attractions that we wanted to show you guys, like the Contrabanda Cave, Casbah de Tamara, the local market, it's all non-existent. It's like either they don't let you in or you can't find it on the maps. It just seems like Harhoura is like a ghost town these days, you know?
Yeah.
All the like the popular beach clubs and brunch places that I saw online aren't actually anymore in existence, and it seems quite a sleepy place here. So I don't know, guys, let us know if the Harhoura days are over and it's just a residential area, and why is everything shut?
However, guys, this cafe that we are currently in right now is super cool. It's very, very funky and kind of a nice spot, but it seems like most people that are here are just kind of chilling out because it's a Sunday afternoon today and it's very, very hot. Like literally it's about 30 something degrees today. And one thing I want to ask my fellow Moroccans here is I'm seeing a lot of you guys on the street walking wearing jackets and like hoodies and even woolly hats, some. I just want to know what's the science behind this, guys, because I am absolutely roasted, like so hot. And don't tell me because you guys are used to hot weather, because we used to live in Dubai for some time. We're also used to the 40-50 degrees, so I know what it's like. But today it is so hot, and I've seen some of you guys walking around in like hoodies and like woolly hats. So maybe I'm missing something. Let me know in the comments. Right? And we've just got some gyro chicken here, guys. Got some nice chicken there with some fries.
It's not really a pita bread as we know it. It said it's a pita. It's just a typical French baguette. It smells nice.
And we've just finished that, I would kind of like to call it like a curry sandwich. It was supposed to be Greek, but very strange. It came in like this baguette form and tasted like curry inside. And just really strange. Like I'm just finding the whole area of Harhoura really Even I is thinking, look, she's like,
Very
yeah.
bizarre, guys. It's
Yeah,
really
quite bizarre. Yeah. All the cafes are very empty and
Yeah.
just very moody place. It's very, very strange. Isn't it? So now we're going to head over to a famous forest here and just go for a nice little walk. Let's go. Wow, so here we are. Again, another beautiful urban forest in the heart of Rabat, this time over in Harhoura.
It's called Harhoura Forest, and I think it's quite popular amongst the local people who come here for walks.
Yeah.
So we're just happy to end our bizarre Harhoura vlog on a happy, fresh note in a lovely forest.
I feel like we are in Europe. Like, look at this forest that we are in right now. It's stunning. And they've pointed out these things here.
So
These are like, I'm not sure what these are.
I know in my language they are called Chickpeas. And because Latvia, the country that I'm from, is exactly like this. 50% of our land is forest. So I'm used to these, but I've never seen them this big.
Yeah, they're literally huge. Like the size of my head almost.
I don't know what they're called in English, Chad. You should know.
I don't know, something like, I don't know exact word. It's in my head somewhere. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. But it's huge. It's actually rock solid as well.
Yeah.
Like with all this
I
forest.
feel right at home.
It's really, really nice and cool. We've got people here enjoying like a nice picnic here. It's a nice little getaway. Alright my friends, thank you so much for watching another video here in Rabat. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and any comments please leave it in the comment section below. Peace out and see you on the next one.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.